Now I can go home and like not complain about doing dishes because I've done like thousands of dishes. When I joined, I found out about the culinary program, and then I was just like, I just want to learn how to cook for myself. Like, I only knew how to cook soul food or like stuff that my mom knows how to make, so I learned a lot here.
You guys have 15 minutes. Now is a good time to start thinking about your food.
I'm the lead, and I'm like, it's cool. Like, you know, I get to step back, help out people, teach people, give them a lot of feedback so they can move up. I'm the only person in a while in the kitchen who has gained their manager serve safe, so I can be a manager somewhere, and that can always come in handy. I feel like it's fresher, you know, a lot of trees and like nature and stuff. And I see a lot of animals I would never see. We have bears and coyotes. I've seen them really up close. College is not always the first option right after high school. You can come here and get like, you know, certified in different things. You never know where it takes you. And you're just always learning, which is always a plus with anything you do.